this demonstration we're going to have a look at managing public groups by using the Exchange Control Panel. But the first thing we're going to do is we're just actually going to set a user up to become a Recipient Manager. So we'll come into Admin Tools, into our Active Directory Users and Computers. Within here, once this loads up, we want to come to our Microsoft Exchange Security Groups, into Recipient Management, and we're going to add a user called Ed. Now that we've done that, next thing to do is to use the Exchange Control Panel, which is a feature of Exchange 2010's Client Access Server, to actually create some groups and then set up approval for the group and then get a user to add the group. So the first thing I need to do is just come into Internet Explorer and start up the Exchange Control Panel. So once I'm in Internet Explorer, next thing to do is just go to the website, which in my case here, https NYC, and then it's going to be ex10contoso.com/ECP. Right, we'll log in as Ed. As Ed is a recipient manager, he has the ability to manage these recipient objects. So what we're going to do here is create a new distribution group, and we're going to create this distribution group for the sales department. So we'll call it sales. Alias is also going to be sales, and in the description we'll have this as the sales department. As we can see, Ed is already an owner of this group, as Ed is creating the group. Next thing we want to do here is just come into membership. We want to add in some users already into the sales department distribution group. And what we'll do here is we'll just take Adam, Alan and Candy. So we added those three users in. Next thing we want to do is we want to configure this group to allow users to add themselves to the group. So if I come to membership approval, currently it's open, so anyone can join this group without approval. Now I don't really want to do that. What I want to do here is I want to ensure that the group is neither open or closed, but will require owner approval to join the group. What we'll also do as well is we'll allow users open access, so anybody can leave the group without being approved by the group owner. So what we'll do here, I'll just click the save button. That's now all done. The next thing to do will be to log in as one of our users called We. And what We wants to do is she actually wants to join the sales group. So we're going to allow her to do that. We're going to take that onus away from the IT department. So we'll just sign out as Ed. Close this window down, and we'll just come back into the Exchange Control Panel, but this time as user We. So back in the Internet Explorer. Back on the server. This time different user. And sign in. This will look slightly different to what Ed got because We is not a recipient manager. So as you can see here, slightly different options down here. So we'll come to groups. On the public groups here, what we want to do is We wants to join the sales group. So we'll click join. Find the sales group, click the join button, and as you can see here the request has been sent to the group owner. So click the close button here, log out of this again, and this time what we'll do is we'll come in, but this time we'll come into Outlook web app because Ed will have received an email from the Exchange organisation saying that We wants to join the sales group. So into this time Outlook web app. Log in as Ed and sign in. So as we can see, request to join the distribution group. We'll just have a look at that request, and what we'll do is, yes, we're fairly happy that We can join this group, so we'll click the approve button. So there you go, We is now a member of the sales group. And that's the end of this demonstration showing how we can use the Exchange Control Panel and the Exchange Security Groups to manage our user accounts. Thank you very much.